Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your EA account with your Twitch account. So first thing, you go to your browser, you search for Connect EA to Twitch, then you select the first link here. As you can see, after that you need to sign in into your EA account. After sign in, you just click on your ID here on the top right corner. Then you select Connected Accounts. After that, you will find the connected accounts here and the Twitch icon here. You just select it and then click continue. After that, this tab will be open. You just select authorize and then link accounts. And there you go. Now your Twitch account is linked to your EA account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel.